Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the file and Excel environment. Open the workbook from a local folder. Network latency often causes errors. Once done, launch Excel in safe mode by holding Control while opening to rule out add-in conflicts. Make sure you know whether you run 32-bit or 64-bit Excel and that you have sufficient disk space and RAM. Low resources cause crashes. These steps get you into a stable state, so the actual repairs will work reliably. Next, run Excel's built-in repair. Go to File Open, select the file, click the arrow by Open and choose Open and Repair. Try Repair then Extract if repair fails. You should then inspect formulas, use Evaluate Formula and trace precedents to find circular refs or errors. Also check conditional formatting, data validation, and named ranges which often hide corruption. If VBA is present, export modules and test without macros. This isolates logic errors from file structure problems. Finally, save a clean copy. Save as XLSX or export to CSV and import into a new workbook to strip hidden corruption. Recreate pivot tables and refresh data connections, then reapply formatting selectively so you don't reintroduce problems. Make sure calculations are set to automatic and recalculate with Control plus Alt plus F9. If the file still misbehaves, run Office Repair from Control Panel or restore a previous version. As a key troubleshooting tip, always keep a backup before aggressive fixes so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.